Howdy everyone, you all know who I am, it's me Voltage, and Heartbeat Cat Academy is back in Battle Cats. And with that comes a brand new unit in the Heartbeat Cat Academy called Oculist Cat. Which, my goal is to get this new cat, hopefully I can. I mean, like, I've got, I need to draw 10 times for 100% chance for one of the 5 draws. But, it's slowly and steadily as years go by, this is going to become harder and harder to get each cat then, I guess. But yeah, the season 1 school days is on plus Resident Undead. This one gives you cat tickets, so I'm going to do this one right now once. Because personally, I would not mind I would not mind a cat ticket or two. But also, the reason why it's so dark is, well, the sky is dark outside and just pouring rain. It's actually 8 o'clock right now. Well, almost 8 o'clock. This clock on this day is wrong. It's actually 7:54 a.m. right now. So yeah. That's why it's so dark on my face cam. And plus I can't be talking too loud right now because mom and dad and most of the family are still asleep, so she's waking up right now. But I decided I needed a video. I've been doing it for the last few days, honestly, so yeah. But I'm back to doing okay right now. So don't worry. I can't stay down forever, it's impossible. Well, unless I'm dead. Then I stay down forever. Who said you could try to bear one of my units? Most certainly not me, doofus. What would you guys want to see in my channel? Because I've got a lot of things I do. But, like, what would you want to see next on the channel? Because I wouldn't mind doing what you guys want me to do. So, yeah. Can you spawn a unit or two, game? Thank you. Ooh, a BB bunny. You dead. Cool. Just caught a sweet little again in the background. They're generally pretty happy. Yeah, those two did not survive that attack like I thought they really wanted. I mean, it was an easy stage, so why would I have to worry? They dropped a racial what? I'm hoping to see something new unit-wise in this thing, which collabs usually do end up getting new units eventually. So I'm wondering what the like this is. Well, this is not a collab. Well, technically it's not, but it technically is as well. These kind of events tend to get new units randomly placed into them, but so far I'm just seeing the complete normal unit. Like, I like the enemies from the Demon Slayer collab. They were actually kind of cool. They really were. They were cool and unique. I'll send in you, I think. Good. Keep getting me money, guys. Excellent. What the? That guy, that Ram did not give me any money. He's supposed to give like 700, 800 range. He give like 50. The hell? And then, of course, you have that person out there that just kind of miss her reality and just end the fight in an instant. Man, I don't want to spend those. Heaven the Tower is also back as well right now, which is interesting. But also, a little something for future stuff. I can soon get another, shall I say, big boss. I'm close to getting another legendary heir. So yeah, keep that in mind for the future. But there's a legendary on my horizon, another one. I think I only have one base game one left, and that's Headmistress Jean. Then the last one's only collab ones or Emperor Cat. So yeah. If I say for Street Fighter, Akuma joins my team. Which, I personally have no complaints with getting Akuma on my team. If anything, that sounds kind of sick. Getting that guy on my team. I'm so sorry for yawning repeatedly. My body's just tired. For obvious reasons. I think this is the final level that I'm gonna do right now. I didn't really want a long video, honestly, and I'd say that 6 minutes, is that really enough for a video? Because I wouldn't say it would be genuinely. I'll go back in front of the level, I guess. Sounding like can to go boom to my enemies. Yeah, they're dying and they're dead. Just the black doggo. Of course. Goodbye. Let's get this done a little faster, the speedster. It's when it doesn't play with food. Or his victims, I guess. I think I'm going to call it here, so thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.